Everybody, my name's Sloppy. I got a new toy and we're gonna open it with our little friend. If you don't know what this is, it's my new Steam Deck. I'm so excited for this. All right, let's get into this. This is a fresh unboxing. All I did was take the labels off. It's still got the tape on it. Let's get into this. This is the 256 version. And I will also have a 512. Let's get this stuff out of here. All right, here we have power adapter. And that's it. Let's open that up first before we get into the good stuff. Here's the charging brick, which is just a USB-C, and it's not detachable, nor does it fold in. We'll put that aside. Steam Deck. Where's the thing? Here it is. And this is the standard case, so it's not going to have, I think, just different colors on the inside. So. Before I touch this, I have a screen protector. Ordered this off of Amazon, cost just a couple bucks. Link in the description. I don't think it's gonna be anything fancy, nothing to write home about, but everything needs a little bit of protection, you know? It just has, I think, a few stickers and some wipes. Yep. And of course, as soon as I opened it over the Steam Deck, it immediately got a bunch of lint and whatever the hell else on it. So, my bad. Let's get this set up. Now, I'm usually pretty rough and tumble with these, so I will try to do it the correct way so I don't get yelled at in the comments. You just gotta line it up and then sticker it down. Oh, this is a snug fit too. That's really good. It doesn't look like it's gonna leave much of an edge to collect dirt, which is very important, especially on something that's touch screen. Oops. I don't want to power it up yet. Actually, it won't power up because I need to plug it in first. All right. And then what we do is we flip it back up, give it a good wipe, check the fitment again, make sure these stickers are nice and stuck. Precautionary wipe, and then a peel. I messed up one of my hinge stickers, but it should be just fine. As long as there's nothing stuck in the center of it, it'll be a non-issue. If there's little pieces along the edge, it's not going to be a problem. Let's see. That was a first shot, 100%. We're good. That did it. And that's all she wrote. Easy peasy, first shot. I'm gonna peel it from the front. if you peel it from the back, it's gonna pull it. So don't do a dumb like I just almost did. Start at the back. This screen protector set comes with 2, so I'm gonna save this stuff. I always save them. I've never needed them, but I feel like it's good habit. So let's put this stuff all back and get that the hell out of here. And then the other thing that I got, this nice little stand. How fun. Again, all these things, I think the screen protectors were $9 maybe, and this here was probably 12 to 15 bucks. All right, well, let me get a power supply and we'll see what's up. How do I have to hold it?
No.
There it is. Oh, shit. Ooh. When you touch the touch pads, they give a little, tiny little vibrate. Let me see if you can hear that. Hold on. Gives you a little feedback to let you know that your finger's on it, so you don't accidentally start scrolling around. Oh, that's gonna be weird if you can see me, huh? I don't like it. All right, let's go through this setup. You know, I hear people complaining about fan noise. That's dumb. This is still exponentially quieter than a fart. Before you start playing, let's take a quick tour of the device. Quick access for notifications, friends list, quick settings, and more. Volume buttons. Let's crank those bad boys all the way up. And microSD card. Yo, it just sets you loose then, huh? Immediately system updates. Let's go ahead and run those updates right away. Tick tock, tick tock. That update was pretty quick actually. Let's give this a shot. I've barely played this game, so you're gonna have to excuse me if I'm absolute trash. Well, I guess I shouldn't have expected this to have any issues. You know, not a very demanding game by any means. And just because I know if it's me, I'm gonna be lazy, and it is me, and I'm lazy. We're gonna slap that bad boy in. Okay, right away it recognized that there's a microSD. And let's see. Yep, format SD, easy peasy. Well, that took no time at all. So, I hope you guys enjoyed what you saw. I'm going to be doing a ton of videos with this. I'm immediately going to try to set up Final Fantasy and Sea of Thieves on it. Very first thing I'm going to try. Bye.